No slam round toilet seat. Quiet close lid closes slowly and silently without slamming. Shift prevention. Grip-tight bumpers prevent the seat from shifting during use and add stability. Easy clean. Quick-release hinges allow for easy removal and convenient cleaning. Effortless install. Quick attach hardware for fast and secure installation, with color-matched plastic hinges included. Rounded toilet seat. Fits most rounded toilets. Color-matched plastic hinges. Compression molded wood provides a look and feel that cannot be achieved with other seat materials. Molded wood. Top reviews from the United States. Quality product at a great price. Not long ago I needed to replace my wooden toilet seat. It was only about a year old, and the white painted finish was wearing off in several areas. I went to my local home improvement center, which is 60 miles away, and had to sort through seat after seat trying to find one that had no nicks, cracks, or paint flaws. I finally decided to try a soft seat which I had not used for many years. Within 2 months of buying this soft seat, I found that the seat had permanent crushing points and the bottom was warping. I obviously hadn't paid enough for a quality one. I had company coming recently and decided I needed a nicer toilet seat. Since I live 60 miles from any store that carry such things, I decided to order on Amazon. Although I do a great deal of my shopping on Amazon, I never would have thought of buying my toilet seat here. I found what appeared to be a nice seat from KOHLER at a great price and was happy that it was offered on Prime. I received it in 2 days and was amazed at what a nice toilet seat I received for such a good price. The seat is heavy, very well made, has absolutely no flows, has a durable high-gloss surface, and is very attractive. I am very happy with this purchase.